Hi friends, I'm Manzoor Siddiqui, SQL Server DBA. Today we are going to discuss about SQL having clause. The SQL having clause allows us to specify conditions on the rows for each group in combination with the group by clause. We have already seen group by clause in a previous video, so you can refer that from my website, sqlserverlog.com. Okay, the having clause is evaluated after rows are grouped. So we'll see few examples. Okay, before that, the syntax for having clause is select expression from table name, group by expression having, and you have to specify some conditions with having clause. Okay, so I'll switch to my SQL Server Management Studio. Okay, I'm going to use AdventureWorks database, and this is the table. So I'll first show you this table, sales order detail. This is my table. Okay, sales order detail. So what I'll do, I'll take first example. Okay, for having clause, I'll take sales order ID. Okay, because this is group by and having. Okay, so this is having clause demonstration. So I'll show you how to use it. Okay, so we'll take sales order ID, then sum of line total. This is, we'll take sales order ID, and I will make this group. Okay, this is one group, then this is one group, and this is one group, like that. Okay, and this is line total. Okay, sum of line total as total, and third column is modified date. This is modified date. Okay, from sales order detail, group by sales order ID and modified date. Having, so we are taking having example as a sum of line total greater than this value, and this is order by sales order ID. Okay, so I'll just execute it. Okay, so we have three columns: sales order ID, then sum of line total and modified date. So you can see 43875 sales order ID, total is this, modified date is this, and for sales order ID 44518, this is total and modified date. Okay, like that. And in place of having clause, okay, if you are trying to use where condition, okay, then group by and order by, so you'll get error. So this is just for demonstration. I'll execute it, and you'll get an aggregate may not appear in the where clause. Okay, so we have used this aggregate sum of line total, which you cannot use with where. You can use this with having clause. Okay, so you'll get this error: an aggregated may not appear in the where clause unless it is in a subquery contained in having clause or a select list. Okay, so like that you can use having clause. Next example we'll see from human resources.employee, this employee table. Okay, I'll just execute it. Now you can see here two columns we are selecting: job title and count. This count is for job title. So I'll show you this employee table first. This is my actual table. Okay, out of this table we are taking job title, so this is job title and count. Okay, so like this is a research and development engineer. This is one job title, this is design engineer, and this is a design engineer. This is one job title. So we'll take this job title plus number of counts. Okay, so what I'll do, select job title, comma count star as number from employee table, group by job title. Okay, so we are grouping according to job title, having count star greater than 3. So for example, if count of this, suppose this plus this is 2, one more is 3, and like that, 4 5. So if the count is more than 3, then it will give you in the output, otherwise you won't get. If it is less than 3, then you won't get it. Okay, 3 or less than 3, like that. Okay, so I'll just select it. So we have production technician WC 40, number of count is 26. Then we have sales representative 14, buyer 9. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just take one more example. I'll replace this count as count greater than 14. Okay, so I'll get these much records. Okay, so now we have 7 records, count greater than 14. We have this output. So in that manner you can use this having a clause in SQL Server. Okay, you can also visit to my website SQLServerlog.com, and you'll find SQL having clause, and a nice article is there. You can go and do the practical, and you can also refer this video. And we have this SQL command list. Okay, so what you can do, you can go to SQL command list also. This link is available from this SQL command tab. Okay, and you can refer all the commands, and if you have any query, you can revert to me. Thank you.